Welcome to online learning at College of the Canyons. We're excited that you've chosen to include College of the Canyons in your educational experience. This video will help you know what to expect in your online or hybrid course and give you some tips on how to be successful. What's the difference between a fully online course and a hybrid course? Well, fully online courses are conducted over the internet and typically don't have meetings in a designated physical space. Hybrid courses are still online courses, but they do have scheduled on-campus meetings. Since hybrid courses are a type of online course, we can use the term online classes to talk about both fully online and hybrid classes. When you're researching classes to take on the COC class schedule, you can tell if a class is fully online by the location listed for the class. Online campus means the class is fully online. To know if a class is a hybrid course, click on the meeting information. Here you will see the label Hybrid Class, followed by information about the on-campus meeting. If this is your first time taking an online course, it's okay to be a bit nervous or anxious. Don't worry, what may seem like an overwhelming task will soon become very familiar and natural. There will be many people to help you, including your instructor, the Student Blackboard Help Desk, and the Distance and Accelerated Learning Office. One of the first things to be aware of is that online courses are not independent study. You cannot complete them at your own pace. There will be weekly and regularly scheduled assignments due. Because your course will have assignment due dates, you wouldn't want to wait until the last minute to submit your work. Even though online courses cannot be completed at your own pace, online courses do have a significant amount of scheduling flexibility, which you won't have in regular face-to-face courses. For example, you can easily arrange your coursework around a work schedule or class schedule. The important thing to remember is that you need to set aside time for weekly assignments and tasks. In most cases, you cannot make up these assignments if you miss the due date. Some students think that online courses will be easier than their on-campus counterpart. You should be aware that the academic performance expectation for online and on-campus courses is the same. This means that whatever you would need to do to earn an A in an on-campus course will be expected in order to earn an A in an online course. As with courses you take on campus, you should expect to take 2 to 3 hours each week for every credit hour your courses are worth. For example, a 4-credit course requires about 8 to 12 hours of work per week. You should set aside time in your daily schedule to complete the coursework for each online course. Before registering for an online or hybrid course at COC, you should read the instructor's orientation letter. This letter gives valuable information about that specific section of the class, such as textbooks, exam procedures, and instructor contact information. To find the instructor's orientation letter, click on Admissions and Services, then Online and Hybrid Classes. This is the distance learning website. Now click Orientation Letters on the navigation bar, and then select the appropriate semester. Now let's talk about how you access the coursework. COC online courses are designed using Blackboard, the COC learning management system. This means an important part of the course is communicating with your instructor and classmates using Blackboard discussion boards and other interactive tools. On occasion, you may need to meet with other students in large or small groups in real time using online tools. Because Blackboard is an integral part of your online or hybrid course, it is essential that you familiarize yourself with it. There are many tutorials and references available for you on the distance learning website. On the first day of class, you will be required to log into Blackboard. If you do not log into Blackboard on the first day of class, it is as if you did not show up to the first day of class, and you will likely be dropped from the course. You can access Blackboard by clicking on the BB icon at the top of the COC website. This will take you to a page with login information and Blackboard resources, including tutorials and Student Blackboard Help Desk information. Click the Login button to go to the Blackboard platform. Once you've logged into Blackboard, you can view content for each of your online courses. In addition to using Blackboard, you will also need to use your MyCanyons student email to stay connected to College of the Canyons and your instructor. College of the Canyons provides every student an email account. This is how COC will communicate with you as a student. You can access your student email by logging into My Canyons and clicking Student Email, or simply clicking the envelope icon at the top of the COC website. While many online courses conduct exams on the internet using Blackboard, some may require you to come on campus to take the test. If this is not an option for you, you may be able to arrange for test proctoring. This means that you may be able to arrange to take the test at another approved location, such as a local college or university. Arrangements for test proctoring are your responsibility and can be made through the TLC. Be sure to make these arrangements well before exam time if your instructor requires proctored exams. Your instructor will facilitate the course, working closely with you and your classmates. Questions about your course, such as assignments, textbooks, tests, etc., should be directed towards your instructor. You can register for an online course on your assigned registration date, just like you would any other course at COC. Then, on the first day of class, be sure to log into Blackboard and complete the tasks your instructor has given you. We are excited to have you enrolled in an online course. We think that you will find the learning opportunities combined with the unique flexibility of an online course to be an exciting experience here at College of the Canyons. Welcome and best wishes on your educational journey.